Welcome to this video about OKRs for project managers. OKRs, our objectives and key results, is a powerful goal-setting framework that can be particularly helpful for project managers as OKRs provide a clear understanding of what the project manager wants to achieve and how it will be measured. This clarity helps to focus the team's efforts towards a common goal and keeps everyone aligned. The act of setting ambitious goals and tracking progress can be very motivating for both the project manager and the team. OKRs create a sense of purpose and drive a culture of continuous improvement. By setting goals and tracking progress transparently, OKRs help build trust and accountability within the team. It ensures everyone is aware of what is expected of them, what they're working towards, and how they are contributing to the overall success of the project. OKRs allow project managers to be flexible in their approach to achieving their objectives as they provide a clear framework for adapting to changing circumstances, priorities, or emerging opportunities. Here are some OKR examples for project managers. In the above example, the OKR clearly described the objective to finish a high-quality project on time within budget, and key results clearly shows how the objective will be measured. In this example, OKR, the objective is for ensuring the project is well run with high customer satisfaction throughout its life cycle, and the key results such as milestones, scope, and CSAT help to measure the success of the objective. Remember, these are just examples and should be tailored to the specific needs and goals of the project manager and organization. By setting challenging yet attainable OKRs, tracking progress, and adjusting strategies as needed, your project manager can achieve success.